Have you ever wondered why some men make women chase them, obsessively? What if I told you it's not luck, charm, or even looks? There's a dark psychology behind attraction, subtle, powerful, and almost hypnotic. Today, I'll reveal the secret tactics that will make her want you, like she's addicted. But beware, these aren't your typical dating tips. This is mind control at a psychological level. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Section 1: The Power of Scarcity. Most men unknowingly push women away by being too available. Scarcity isn't just about time, it's about perceived value. When you make yourself a rare prize, she subconsciously feels compelled to win you over. Scarcity triggers deep psychological urges rooted in evolutionary survival. What is rare is valuable. But don't fake it. Authentic scarcity means being busy with your own goals and life. This confidence signals independence, and that's magnetic. Section 2: The Push-Pull Technique. One of the most effective dark psychology tools is push-pull. It's a dance of emotional tension. You pull her in with warmth, attention, or a compliment, then push away slightly with a tease or subtle withdrawal. This contrast keeps her brain in a loop of anticipation and reward, releasing dopamine every time you pull. It's like emotional ping-pong that builds obsession over time. The key is balance: too much push, and she feels rejected; too little, and she loses interest. Section 3: Mirroring. Create a silent connection. Mirroring is a subtle mimicry of body language, speech patterns, and energy. When done naturally, it creates an unspoken bond and trust. Her subconscious feels in sync with you. Mirror her gestures, tone, and pace lightly. This builds familiarity and comfort without her even realizing it. But be careful, overdoing it feels fake and creepy. Section 4: The Power of Mystery. Mystery is the ultimate dark psychology magnet. Reveal just enough about yourself to intrigue, but hold back deeper layers. When you keep parts of your life hidden, her mind fills the gaps with fantasy, curiosity, and desire. Share stories with open endings, avoid oversharing, and stay unpredictable in small ways. Section 5: Emotional Triggers. Humans are emotional creatures. Tapping into her emotional triggers will deepen attraction fast. Use storytelling, vulnerability, or even slight jealousy to spark feelings. For example, share a memory that reveals passion or struggle. Show empathy but don't be overly available. Make her feel something. Intense feelings create powerful neurological imprints that linger. Section 6: The Unavailable Man Syndrome. Being emotionally or physically unavailable can actually increase her pursuit. It activates her instinct to chase what she can't have. Not because you play games, but because you're prioritizing yourself and not chasing approval. Remember, obsession stems from challenge, not complacency. Section 7: How to Avoid the Dark Side. Dark psychology can be powerful but dangerous if abused. Manipulation without care breeds resentment, distrust, and pain. Use these secrets ethically, combine them with respect, honesty, and genuine connection. True attraction is magnetic but also rooted in mutual value and kindness. If you want her chasing you, it's time to understand the mind behind attraction. Master scarcity, mystery, and emotional triggers. Remember, attraction isn't a trick, it's science. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Which dark psychology secret surprised you most? And what do you want me to reveal next? Stay sharp, stay magnetic.